Alright, welcome back. Napag-aralan na natin si int as well as long. Ngayon tingnan naman natin kung paano gawin si double. Okay? For this case, kailangan lang nating i-type ang double. Next, ilagay natin ang ating variable name. Sabihin lamang natin that price, for example, followed by an equal sign and then the value. Let's say that the price of something is 3.99. It is good na maging descriptive yung ating variable name. So let us say that price shoes. No, para alam natin kung ano talaga yung tinutukoy. So let us say that this is just an example, 3.99. And then, kailangan lang natin siyang i-output, system.out.println. And then, i-type lang natin yung pangalan ng kanyang variable name. So, if we run this, terminal, clear, java, double.java, and then java double, and then lalabas yung kanyang value. And that's how it works.